What's up guys, it's Megan Coach Rems. So nakita nyo naman kung gaano nakaganda yung gym natin, no? And ngayon kasi magdadagdag tayo ng konting ilaw. Spotlight. Ayan, actually nakakabit na. Tatanggalin ko ulit. Ayusin ko yung wiring. Kinabit ko lang muna siya kasi tinesting ko. Subukan natin mag-electrician. May alam naman tayo konti, di ba? Kahit naman sa sasakyan, positive, negative, ganun din sa bahay, di ba? Pero nakakatakot kasi sa pambahay kasi mataas yung voltahe. Compare sa kotse, sobrang baba lang, di ba? Kung kukiliti ka lang dito, matutusta ka, no? So, eto yun. Maglalagay ako ng switch dito. Tapos tatap ko dyan. Tatap ko dyan. Tapos pagapang dun, papunta sa spotlight. Ayan, nakita nyo nakasabit pa yung wire. Yan. Lalagyan natin yan ng spotlight natin. Okay? So, tara, gawin natin. Alright guys, document lang kailangan ko kasi ng mahabang wire. Kailangan ko ng mahabang wire. Kasi ilalagay ko yung speaker dito. Diyan. Tapos pagapang yung wire. Diyan. Diyan, sa taas na yan. Diyan. Tapos pababa dito. Yan. O, sa ilalim. Basta ganun. So, meron na kasi akong galing sa kotse to. Harness. Masayang naman, mababali wala. Hindi gamitin ko na lang. Hindi naman masyadong maselan yung sa speaker wire, kaya okay na to. So, yun lang. So yun guys, nakabit na natin yung speaker sa taas. Diba? Ay, yan. Ha? Natay ko muna kasi baka makaka-copyright tayo sigurado, no? So, yun. Yan yung mga tirang wires. Yan pa mahaba. And, ayan na. Ayos.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough.
Tayo natin lahat ng ilaw. Ito yung mas moment of truth. Ito switch. So, natin mag, open. Boom! So yun guys, nakita nyo natapos natin, no? And wala naman sumabog. So ibig sabihin, tama yung ginagawa natin. Okay? So, paano ba tayo natuto ng ganyan? Diba? Sa same basic sa kotse, positive, negative. At syempre, natuto tayo na sa pag-observe din sa mga veteranong gumagawa. And syempre, pinatay ko rin yung main. Kita nyo naman, nagkamay lang ako, diba? Pero dapat, for safety pa rin, dapat dalawang place yung gamit. Pero test ko naman yan, talagang walang kuryente talaga. Successful yung gawa natin. Pwede na tayo mag-electrician, no? Pero takot pa rin ako sa bahay. Masyadong mataas yung voltage niyan. So, yun. Pipinturahan ko to, kulayan ko, then para tumerno lang. Hindi naman perfect kasi kulang pa yung plastic molding natin. So, pero okay na yan. At least nagawa natin. Kaysa magpagawa tayo, pinaka mababa na dyan is 700 na agad. Yun lang yung gagawin. Hindi pa whole day yun, diba? So, parang arawan na rin yung bayad. So, 700 to 800. Basta ganon. Na saglitan lang yung gagawin. So, tulad niya sabi ko, wala rin kasi tayo diba? So, mas gusto natin na makatipid ng kaunti and kaya naman natin and kumuha din naman ako ng idea sa iba and again, successful. So, yun lang guys. And tulayan ko muna to. Then, kain muna tayo. Tapos, workout namin. Alright? Peace!
No, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent, I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it, I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it.